Ano ba yung call center job application requirements? So, yung call center industry kasi, kilala to bilang isang equal opportunity employer. Yung recruiter, wala silang pakialam kung matangkad ka, maliit ka, mayaman ka, mahirap, bata, matanda. Basta, within 18 years old, tsaka less than 60 years old. Basta na-meet mo yung requirements, okay ka. So, ang requirements ay conversational English skills. Kailangan willing ka mag-work ng night shift or graveyard shift. Tapos, can start immediately. Yung age mo dapat 18 and up. Hindi ka lalampas ng 60. Marunong ka ng basic computer skills. Yung educational background mo, mga high school graduate or higher. Ngayon, may magtatanong sa akin, hindi ako nakatapos ng high school, pwede ba ako? As long as yung English mo pasado, may chance ka. Kung yung English mo bagsak, wala kang chance. So, ang mahalaga, ayusin mo yung English mo. Whether pasado ka ng grade school, ng high school, basta yung English mo, yun yung pinakamahalaga. Pag lahat naman kasi ng recruiter, basta nakitang may potential sa'yo, bibigyan ka ng chance. Kaya, wag mong sasayangin yung potential mo. Bukas ulit.